this is my final project, um, my attempt to create a website to enroll students for my small dance class. And here we go. I am going to, and that's the type of dance that I was talking about the first video. She's not my student. um, I am going to fire up my project from locally. So this is the address. So this is done in ASP.NET using MVC framework, and I have included code in couple of places, in about screen and in enroll screen. I have to, it's still work in progress. I have to improve on aesthetics and animation. I have only done a little bit of animation with the heading. So if you go to the, let me just go down. These are my students. They are all masters. These are my students. Okay, I'll go to about, and I'm just in this link. When I click, you get a list of students in the dance class. They're all just made up names, and this is where I've used Ajax to get to show it in a partial view, so it can only refresh this part. And the next functionality that I have done is in enroll. Here I have used MVC's model to get the screen for me, this form for me, and I'm using jQuery validation plugin. So all these messages are coming from jQuery validation plugin. There's still, I could do a better job in fitting that in the screen and trying to get this messages come on the right side, things like that. So I'm just going to, for purposes of demo, I'm going to enter some data to show what happened. Yeah, that's the lady on the right. That's not determined yet. Just going to put 30. Okay. I use the feedback form that we had done in the class, and now I'm going to go to about, and I'm going to make sure that I enter Padma. She's here. Like this screen, this table again, I could improve using JQuery, which I tried, but it's taking too much time. So this is what I have done, and I will walk you through the code. And my model is a student model, the student table, and my views for where I have done changes is I've done changes in a few views, like major changes to about, and this is where I have used the Ajax call. I have used the Ajax.action link, and this method is that all method is from the home controller. I'm using this method to call just the model is the student, and I'm calling a partial view, and this view has all the list of the names and things that I'm displaying: first name, last name, age. I'm not displaying all of them, I'm just displaying those. And the code, that jQuery code, I put it in the script for about. This is okay. Okay, I'm not this one. Sorry. grid working, which didn't work. I have jQuery code for enroll where I have used the validation. Enroll. Okay, this is for my HTML for enroll. I'm getting the model. Like the view generates all the fields for me from the model, and the scripts I have enroll.js. That's the plugin. Okay, there. This is my plugin, and quickly I'll show my database. I have the tables, classes, student class that I created, and if I just say F, and then I have, like before I do the FI, this is the stored procedure I'm using to insert records to those two tables, and that I am calling in through my controller action. Here I have an add method. This is my going up and down. And I have it here. Okay, add to student. This is the method that I'm using. sp add student detail. This is the method I'm using here. And this is the procedure. And just now I added that one record, right? So that's the record. That's the last record. Alright. And the class ID is like I created a class table, like a master table, which has 3 records, one for each type of class. So I'm using that here. Alright, I'm going to stop now. This is my project. Thank you.